that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Styling, wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. Call the police and a fireman. I'm too hot. Mick Jagger wanna retire, man. I'm too hot. Say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot. Am I bad about that money? Break it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. 'Cause Uptown Rock gon' give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Rock gon' give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Rock gon' give it to you. Saturday night and we'll hit the spot. So believe me, just rock. So believe me, just rock. Don't 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 believe me, just rock. Hey, 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 oh! Stop. Wait a minute. Fill my cup, put some liquor in it. Take a sip, sign a check. Julio, get the stretch. Right to Harlem, Hollywood, Jackson, Mississippi. If we show up, we gon' show out. Smoother than a fresh jar.